If you love peanut butter cookies, you love almonds, you're gonna love these almond butter cookies. Buttery, nutty, and oh so yummy. These are the ingredients you will need, and you can find the updated recipe on my blog. I like to start with mixing all my dry ingredients together, including the light brown sugar. After you sifted all the dry ingredients, adding in the melted butter and the eggs is easy peasy. Technically in this video, I actually am doing a double recipe, so I should not have been using such a small bowl, but you get the idea. If you do one batch of the recipe, you shouldn't need a mixer. Once you start going into double batch or more, it gets a little bit hard to mix by hand, as you can see in the video. I did end up switching to my stand mixer so it was easier to mix and much cleaner because I was getting the dough all over my table. And I highly recommend using a ice cream scoop with a lever that help you scoop the cookie dough evenly. This just makes it so much easier to portion out, and you can bake them right away according to the recipe, or you can actually chill them for another day or freeze them and then bake them from frozen. Yay, you did it! Hope this was helpful. Happy baking! Follow Sparkle Cookery if you want to learn more about how baking is fun and approachable from me, a professionally trained pastry artist. Okay, bye!